दिल का size matters.
Wow, Deep is at it, huh? Deep is like मैं पूरा live देखूंगा आज क्या चालू है यहाँ पे.
PFA 3 when आ गया है PFA 3 देख लो. But Silence to Climax was just bang on. I may have to agree.
Do you want coffee?
I'll be bouncing off walls now.
We have a night shoot. I think that might help. You know, guys, since we are in Dehradun, why don't you suggest us some places that we could go to?
Yeah, anyone from Dehradun here?
Anyone or anyone who's been here.
इतनी हंसी किस लिए? Overacting. जाओ ना यार फिर. Miss Jia Sen, still remember. I still remember her too. Yeah, dude. I think we should keep the nose ring. Lots of nose ring
Baju wali.
fans.
You start reading it and then it just goes anywhere. You have to shut up.
Yeah. Okay. Guys,
Hey.
yeah. Hey, behave yourself.
ऋषिकेश. ऐसे देहरादून में कहाँ जाए? ऋषिकेश. Sandeep, you're from Dehradun. Why don't you tell us where all we could go? Robbers Cave you can visit. Great.
Great.
Ayush and Barkha is the best on-screen couple. Barkha, you're so cute.
Thanks, yeah.
Ashu.
Pacific
Mall. We went there actually
We
yesterday.
went, yeah. We watched Fall Guy. Want BF Part 2. I'm good with Want BF Part 1 also. Hello.
I'm from Darjeeling.
चाय पी लो दोस्तों.
दीप के पास बहुत टाइम है आज.
Yeah. Deep, don't you have stuff to edit or shoot?
Barkha is the cutest girl I've ever seen. I agree. Visit Bilaspur. हाँ हम
I think
देहरादून से
you're
बिलासपुर
Swara.
जाते हैं.
Hi.
Swara, we are live.
दोनों का फोन
Ooh.
When you guys come
Guys,
to-
what should we talk about? So the reason we came live was to give our opinion on something. हमने सोचा था हम podcast करेंगे लेकिन हम कर नहीं पाएंगे. तो we thought we'll just come live. ए मच्छर आ रहे हैं.
So actually, you know what? I have an idea. Why don't you guys tell us the worst pickup lines and we'll react to it?
Yeah. Landor also is in the.
It's nearby.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मसूरी में, हाँ.
Are you single, Parul? Shreyansh is asking.
Yes.
Depends.
I'm only dating Nishar.
What
Nishar
is-
my baby actually? How can I date my baby? I think I should shut up. It's just too much coffee for me. Sorry. Let's find Attached season 4.
Yeah. Hi, Shwetu Pai. Say hi, Shwetu Pai.
Hi Shwetu Pai.
Are you with Ehsaas in Dehradun? No, Ehsaas is in Manali.
हाँ. हाँ.
Knock knock. Who's there? Someone said knock knock.
Hi. आइए.
एक रिक्वेस्ट है यार छोटी सी.
Wow.
We are live, huh? Just letting
We-
you know. So
we
whatever
are-
you say carefully. Sorry?
Do you want to say hi? Now what to do? अब तो हो गया.
Okay, give us 2 minutes. to
Yeah,
knock it off.
you can be here. Just दरवाजा बंद कर दो.
Thank you.
So guys, due to some unavoidable reasons,
We may have to shut this.
some unavoidable reasons.
Bang the door.
सॉरी गाइस, अगर आपने स्क्रीनशॉट्स या कुछ लिए प्लीज यूज मत करना, ठीक है? कहीं वी माइट हैव टू बाउंस राइट नाउ. कल फिर से मिलते हैं नॉट इन कॉस्ट्यूम. से बाय लवलीज.
Bye, lovely.
लव यू लवलीज. बाय.
Who told them we are live?
I don't know,
Who
it's a
told them we are
public
live?
profile.